Hi, I'm Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. Let me tell you about this 202 mile per hour Bristell 916Rg that I am selling. It's a white aircraft, lime green with black trim and retractable landing gear. It is serial number 864 2026, 160 horsepower, 2,000 hour Rotax engine selling for $465,000. It climbs at 1,700 feet per minute, cruises at 184 miles an hour, and with the retractable gear, it cruises at 202 miles per hour. Has a range of 900 miles, holds 43 gallons of gas, burns between 4 and 11 gallons, 100 low lead or 93 octane. Also has the Duke Tiger constant speed prop with a fly box. The 160 horsepower, 2,000 hour TBO 916 is an amazing engine. It manages heat because it has an electronic control unit that automatically manages precise fuel flows. It maintains sea level power to 13,500 feet, and the Rotax 916 is certified to 23,000 feet. It is both liquid and air cooled for maximum cooling, has an intercooler, again for additional cooling, and electricity is provided by a reliable stator, and the oil change only requires 4 quarts of oil every 50 hours. Affordable maintenance due to the Behringer anti-skid, anti-lock brakes, tubeless tires that never get a flat, and it has sealed bearings good for 7 years, which means you do not have to remove the wheels at the annual. So the annual only takes 1 day and only about $1,200. Comfort. 51-inch wide cockpit, wider than a Cirrus, accommodates pilots 6 foot 10 inches and 280 pounds. You're comfortable even on very cold days because it has a very efficient heater, and it has an oxygen generator plug so you can have in-flight portable oxygen. On a 95-degree day, you taxi with the canopy open and stay cool on the hottest of days, and it has giant 4-inch cockpit vents to add cooling on the hot days. Avionics are spectacular. Garmin displays. Top of the line Garmin's allow IFR and IMC. They have dual G3X touchscreens, backup 4-inch touchscreen, EFIS. It has a GNX 375 IFR certified for vertical guidance or a GTN 650XI. ADS-B in and out for traffic and weather, and a GMC 507 autopilot with altitude hold and a blue button. Support. We have over $200,000 of Rotax and Bristell parts in our inventory in Sebring, Florida. Warranty is 2 years or 200 hours, and we have professionally trained Rotax mechanics on staff that are wizards. This plane is also pre-wired for a BRS recovery system if the customer would like one. If you would like to purchase this beautiful Bristell, please call me, Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor, on my cell, 516-658-1847, or email me at loumancuso@aol.com. You can see our complete inventory at www.sportflyingusa.com. So thanks for watching. Fly with limitations and stay safe.